This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
Whirlpool front load washer, and it's giving us an F03 E01 code, which usually talks about the air dome, which senses how much water is in the tub, has some kind of a problem, malfunctioning, and it'll give you this code. It's like the computer thinks there should be a certain amount of water in there, and there either isn't, or there's too much. And right now it's just confused. It doesn't know what's going on. So when you open it up, take a look inside. So we can see detergent dripping down here from up top, but no water is coming into the washer. It's just the detergent leaking down. If we look into the detergent drawer, you can see that looks like some water probably did come in, but it doesn't seem very wet down where the clothes are. Just, you can see detergent for sure. See if we can feel any wetness in there. Yeah, it just feels like just detergent. Interesting. Maybe the water cut out early. Alright, we're going to do the old power down technique and then power it back up by just unplugging and then plugging back in. So unplug. We're going to get this a little longer until the capacitor drops out energy. So even though you've unplugged it, you'll still have a little bit of power going through the circuit, and now just turned off. So plugging it back in, it may take even a little longer for it to reset. Let's try. So we have a blank display. Plug it back in. Alright, or the relay click. So we're back to our normal display, no error. Let's see what happens when we turn it on. So we're going to go power. Power is not wanting to come on. There we go. There's power. There's a normal cycle. Let's press start. See what it does. So far so good. Door locks. And then it should attempt to feel how much weight there is by turning the load. And that helps the computer to figure out, well, how much water should I put in? So we hear the drain is active. And let's see if it's going to turn to close. So it looks like it might be working. It's filling with, you can hear it filling with water. That's good. 46 minutes left. So far so good. So just unplugging it did the trick. But other things can be done if you have that same error code. If you remove the screws from behind this front panel, you can move the panel back, and then there's a device back here that has a black rubber tube coming up to it, and that's sensing how much water's coming in, because it displaces a column of air and pushes on the diaphragm on a little pressure switch up here. So if you can pull that black tube off and just blow through that, sometimes that'll correct the problem, because there might be something jammed in that tube. It'll blow it out, and now as water comes in, the column of air goes up, it presses in on the diaphragm, and the computer knows how much water there is. So far we're doing good. It's filling, it's doing its agitation, and I think that did the trick. So all we really did, you just unplugged it, you watched the display, you still had the blinking warning light, and then after about probably 20 seconds it went blank. So we plugged it back in, gave it power again. It's only after a couple of minutes, and then pressing power and pressing start got a cycle going. So I think we're okay.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.